Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. Now we can do about factorization by 8. Next, we need to have number 2 in here. So we need to add about b squared over 4a squared. Later that we need to minus about b squared over number 4a squared. So this one that is about identities. So this one I will put c over 8. Now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus b over 2/8 equals to the square root of this one. And I will use about tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we got this one with tan t square. This one and this one we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1 we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one gone here. ds we change for this one. So this one we got like this. Now we can do about factorization of this one and this one. This one that is about secant of t square. And now we need to simplify it. So we need to simplify this one and this one. So the integration of this one we got about t. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by this one. And now we got about t equals to octane of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.